Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. So this seems really weird for me because I haven't filmed in about a month really, or longer. All the videos that I put up recently were all pre-filmed, so I don't know what I'm doing. So today's video, I thought I would show you a makeup look that I've been recently doing, and it involves no foundation. And for someone that has a lot of scarring and just like dark spots and acne, a no foundation look was just never something I would have done. Honestly, I never thought that I would be the type of girl that wears no foundation but other makeup. To me, when I think of no foundation, my automatic response was I couldn't do that because I have scarring and acne and stuff. But I'm here to show you that even if you have acne, scarring, dark spots, redness, rosacea, active acne, you can still go foundation free and feel confident, beautiful, as if you were wearing foundation. So yeah, if you have more acne than me, or more scarring, or less acne than me, you can absolutely tailor it to yourself, which is what I am going to do. I'm going to show you how I've tailored this kind of look to me. So yeah, I really hope you're excited about this video, and let's see if I even remember how to film. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like. I really hope you're able to see my skin with the lighting that I have. I have a lot of like scarring even on my neck and stuff. This cheek is a lot better, but it's still not like clear. This is actually like an okay day for my skin. Recently I had like really clear skin for a while, and then all of a sudden my skin just wasn't as clear as it used to be. So I feel like this is kind of like a normalish kind of day for me. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to mention that this look was just kind of created by me because I had to go out. I didn't want to wear makeup, but I had 10 minutes and I was like, let me just put in a little something because I had really dark spots. So that's how I created this look. But literally it took me about 10 minutes, not even that. And I literally was just like so minimal, but I felt so pretty and just put together, even though I literally was just slapping on the makeup. So the first thing I actually did was go in with this concealer here. I don't really use this concealer, but for this look here, this is one of the best concealers that I find, because all my other concealers are full coverage, or at least medium. I need something that doesn't even look like I'm really wearing anything. So I went in with the PS My Perfect Colour Ultra Long Wear Concealer. This is lightweight, full coverage. So I've got the colour Ivory. This does say it's full coverage, but I don't think it's full coverage at all. And the reason why I went in with this concealer is because I remember it being pretty light coverage and pretty like liquidy and lightweight. So I was like, this is going to be the perfect concealer to go in when I don't want to look like I have concealer, because I don't have perfect under eyes and then like scarring and uneven skin tone everywhere else. It just wouldn't make sense. So I just went in like this, and you can see it's like really like quite a thin formula as well, and I just went over any scarring that I had. Okay, so this is how much concealer I've got. So you can still see that I have scarring, but it just tones it down ever so slightly. What I did as well is I let the concealer sit for a while so it would even get more like coverage. I did not use a beauty blender. I used my fingers basically for all of this, but I'm going to use a brush. So this is the base so far. I have a lot of concealer on, but you can't tell at all. Because the concealer is so lightweight, it's not settling into any of my like creases. So the next product I went in with is this here. So this is the Barry M Freckle Tint. I have been loving freckles, and I love this product here. I've been really enjoying this, and with this look here, I feel like the reason why I felt so pretty and so like done is because I had so many freckles that like people wouldn't even be looking at my acne scarring because I had quite a lot of freckles on. So the colour that I have is light to medium. Literally what I'm going to do is go in and create freckles. And I'm not the best at this, but I just love how it looks. So I do a couple and then I kind of blend it out. I'm going to put powder over this as well and a little bit of blush. So even if they look intense, it's fine because we're going to go over it. I also like doing them over spots, which is something I've always done. I've always made like my spots into like beauty marks. So you see that one there is too big, so I'm going to probably cover that with powder a little bit. Well, that's too big as well. And you might be thinking, why would you put freckles when you have so much scarring already? So it just kind of looks like more scarring. It doesn't look like more scarring because you can definitely tell that these are freckles and not like dark spots or like acne scarring. And you can do as many freckles or as less freckles as you like. And now I'm just going to add the tiniest bit more concealer there. So I've just added a bit more coverage, and I've kind of covered up a little bit more of the freckles. So it just looks like they're kind of coming from actually under my skin. The reason why I actually feel like this concealer worked is because it's so lightweight and it kind of sets. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm just going to use this one here from this MAC palette. And I'm just going to bronze my cheeks. And also, I feel like by doing this, I'm also adding coverage to my cheeks without like foundation. I'm actually going to go in my Physicians Formula bronzer. And I'm literally going all over my face with this. Now it's for blusher. And the blusher I use for this look is the XXX Revolution. I don't know how to say this name, but it's this colour here. So it's like a really pretty like burnt orange. And I love this colour for this look because it kind of goes more towards that kind of like sunburnt look, if that makes sense. I literally just put this everywhere. I'm just going in with my highlight from that MAC palette. Bear in mind, I usually do this all in my hand, so I usually just go like that and then rub it all in. So I know this isn't pretty natural for some people, but to me this is a very natural look and something that I'm still comfortable wearing, even though I have hardly any coverage on, if that makes sense. I'm usually the sort of person that wears no makeup at all, or I'm wearing makeup. So now I'm just going in with my Physicians Formula bronzer. This is a step that I never not do. I just love how it brings everything together. And every time I've done my more natural looks, or even like light coverage kind of looks, this is something I always do. Okay, so now you could leave it like this. Like you could either add mascara, add your brows if you want to, if you need to. This is a look that you could literally just leave like this. But because I have oily skin, I do like to set some places. And this is the reason why the freckles look even more like skin-like and less like freckles or faux freckles, because I do go in with like a powder on top. So I'm going to use my Broken MAC Studio Fix in NC15. I'm only using the tiniest bit. So I'm just going to bring the powder into a little bit further down, just so I don't have like a ring of like brightness. So if you wanted to, you could go over the lid, which I'm just going to do a little bit, just because I do get creasy. And this is a good look as well for the summer because it's so lightweight. So with my full coverage foundation powder, if I wanted to, I can now build up the coverage here, which I'm just going to do a little bit. And honestly, with this look, I even tailor it myself. If I need more coverage, I'll add like more concealer. If it's really hot, I'll set much more. And yeah, I just tailor it to what my skin needs. To be honest, I usually don't do this many freckles because I haven't got time. Like I just do a few here, and then I'm done. So I'm going to go in with a brow gel. And this is just going to keep my brows in place. If I wanted to, I could use a brow gel that has like pigment. But I just don't feel like it. Also depends on how my brows are. If they're overgrown, I'm definitely not using like a pigmented brow gel. But if they're like at a good place like they are today, I'll just do this brow gel. So yeah, this is it. This is what I would say is my usual routine when I'm wearing no foundation. Sometimes I'll add the tiniest bit of mascara, sometimes I won't. Sometimes I'll add a lip liner and gloss, sometimes I won't. So it literally just depends on how long I got and how long I wanna do my makeup for. So guys, this is my no foundation makeup look. This is a look that I do when I want to put something on my face. I want to look a little bit more put together than absolutely nothing. But I haven't got time and I don't want to do full glam. So yeah, this is how I wear no foundation. This might be too much or too little for you, but it's honestly so tailored. Tailor it to what you need and what you want and what you like on your skin. And just know that everyone has skin problems. Everyone has like issues that they don't like about their skin. And please don't feel like bad about yourself because you don't feel comfortable going foundation free. That's normal. I just wanted to make this video for those that want to try going foundation free and don't have the confidence to. I just wanted to show you how I do it, and maybe this is the steps that you could do for your look. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comment section down below if you go foundation free or not, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.